Mom.
What's your name?
Hannah.
What?
Hannah.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3.
Yes.
Are you smart?
Yes, I'm smart.
Smart.
Yes, and Daddy's smart.
And your daddy's smart. What about Mama? Mama smart?
Not Mommy.
Yes, she is. Give me some fin.
That's Megan.
Dude. Who's your best friend?
And that was my Hannah.
About who's your best friend? Am I your best friend?
Yes, this is your best friend. This is my best friend.
Who are you pointing to?
I'm Penny.
Who's that?
Rana, thank you.
Oh, okay. So I love you.
I love you.
Wave bye.
Bye.